We hope you enjoyed our 5-course breakfast option for your holistic health. If you missed it, be sure to check it out here. If you tried it, our community would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Do you have a favorite beverage for breakfast? What is it? Leave a comment. Today, we want to take time and highlight the best beverage on the planet that you can enjoy anytime, and especially first thing in the morning, to open up and cleanse your internal system. Welcome to medi-date, the place where we upgrade your well-being journey together. This beverage is in a class all by itself. It comes from one of the most versatile trees on the planet. It has many uses. Can you guess what it is? Leave a comment. Let's find out what this beverage is and why is it so classy. Here are 6 reasons. 1. Nutrient-rich. This beverage is packed with essential nutrients. It is the best source of electrolytes, or electrical energy in other words. It contains electrolytes such as potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium. It is the most electrical food on the planet in its natural state. It is the most electrical because it has more electrolytes than any other beverage. It is also the most cleansing beverage on the planet in its natural state. You might as well consider this beverage the original sports drink. It contains vitamins, particularly B-complex vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, and thiamine. It contains minerals such as iron and manganese. 2. Hydration. This beverage is a natural and very hydrating agent that replenishes electrolytes lost through sweating, making it an excellent drink for rehydration after physical activities or in hot climates. Once again, it is the best sports drink. Have you guessed it yet? Yup, it's the water of a young coconut. A young coconut is the one without jelly, flesh, or pulp. It has no protein, starch, or anything in it. It is 100% water. Young coconut water has historically been referred to as the god of fruits or nectar of the gods. It is one of the highest grown fruit trees. It is the highest grown beverage on the planet. It has been recorded to grow as high as 100 to 200 feet. It is also one of the deepest grown fruit trees, where its roots are 100 to 200 feet beneath the ground. They are as deep as the tree's height. Coconut water contains the highest moisture. It is 100% water. The sun, as the ancients considered it, the god force and the source of all life, is the primary factor in making coconut water what it is. Coconuts grow very high, closest to the sun, by the seaside, by the shore. Seawater is the most mineral-rich water on the planet. Seawater is inorganic. We can't drink seawater. If we drink seawater, we will get dehydrated. The sun draws the seawater moisture from the earth by the seashore, distilling it, and turning the inorganic mineral seawater into organic mineral water. Mineral seawater has inorganic minerals. Plants need to process inorganic minerals and bring them to the organic state, and that is what the coconut tree is doing for us. It is processing minerals and packing them in coconuts. Coconut trees pack minerals. Coconut water is naturally distilled, filtered, ionized, and alkalized. Coconut water is structured. Young coconut water is the most naturally occurring organic mineral water. It is the fruit of life. The younger the coconut, the more electrolytes in it. The 3 essential foods in life are sunshine, oxygen, and living water. Coconut water is liquid sunshine. When you drink coconut water, you extract sunshine, oxygen, and living water from your food. Coconut water is living water. It stimulates bowel movement. No other water does that. It regulates nerve function. It develops the brain. It washes the heart. It cleanses the blood. It cleanses the body. In the morning, we often take external showers. Drinking coconut water is basically taking an internal shower. It gives you an electrical charge. It's like inner acupuncture. As a bonus, coconuts are hermetically sealed. When they fall from their very tall trees, they don't crack. Their bottom is cushioned and pointed. They are aerodynamic. Pick up and drink coconut water where you can. Add lemon, noni, or aloe for an extra boost, and let's upgrade your well-being journey together. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe. 3. Low calories and fat. Young coconut water is low in calories and fat-free, making it a healthier alternative to sugary drinks or juices. 4. Natural. Young coconut water is entirely natural and typically free from additives or preservatives when consumed in its natural state. 5. Refreshing. The taste of young coconut water is generally mild and refreshing, making it pleasant to drink. 6. Cultural and traditional importance. In many tropical regions where grown abundantly, coconuts have cultural significance and are often associated with health benefits and refreshment. Due to these qualities, particularly its rich nutrient profile and natural hydrating properties, young coconut water has historically earned a reputation as a healthful and refreshing drink. Hence the prestigious title of God of Fruits or Nectar of the Gods. Here's to living water. Cheers! Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, take good care.